Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Adda. In this video, we will learn how to use the filter formula in Excel. It's a powerful tool for extracting specific information from a large data set. But first, let's take a quick look at our data. Here, we have a sales data set with various columns. It includes information like segment, country, city, product, unit sold, sales, profit, and more. This data helps us understand the sales performance across different region and product. For example, the segment column shows different markets segment like small business, government, mid-market, and the product column lists the product, item sold, unit sold, sales and profit, provide details on the financial side. Now let's see how we can use the filter formula to extract specific parts of this data. We will go through two examples. In first example, we want to find all sales data related to Germany only. The filter formula can quickly show only those rows. Start by clicking on empty cell where you have I want to click on go to another sheet, and here we type equal to filter and bracket open. This formula needs three main parts: array, include, and if empty. If empty is optional, first we go to array. Here we select our data range, the area containing of our data, that means A1 to P701, and then comma, and our second parts of formula is include. Here we want to filter the row where country is Germany, so we write we select the country column B1 to B701, and it's equal to then we write equal to, in double quotes we write Germany, and then double quotes and comma. Our last part of this formula is optional, that is if empty. This part shows a message like no data found if there is no matching data, so we write in double quotes no data found, and then double quotes and then bracket close and hit the enter. You can see now we see only the sales data for Germany. You can see here. For the second example, let's find the sales data for the product card Retera in the mid-market segment. Again we use the filter formula, but this time with two conditions, segment and product. So we enter the formula in new sheet, and we write here equal to filter, and in array select our data range which is A1 to P701, and then comma, and then bracket 1 bracket open, and we select the include parts of this formula, that is segment is mid market, so we select segment column A1 to A701 is equal to, we write in double quotes mid market, MIDMARKET, and then double quotes and then bracket close, and then we write multiply sign, and then we write other condition which is product is Creta, so we select the product column which is D1 to D701 is equal to, in double quotes we write Carretera, and then double quotes and then bracket close and comma, and our third parts of this formula is optional. So we write in double quotes no data found, and then double quotes and bracket close, and hit the enter. You can see this formula now display all the rows where the segment is mid market and the product is Carretera. That's it for today's video. The filter formula is a great tool to help you manage and analyze data in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Digital Adda for more easy Excel tips. Thanks for watching.